my dear friends, how are you? So today I'm going to make a bird house which I purchased from Lulu Mall. So let's unbox.
Can ask the flowers. I sit for hours telling